an energetic protocol to assist you at the beginning of the day and the end of the day. We invite you to take a few deep breaths into your belly, to relax your neck and shoulders, to use your inhale, your intent and imagination to pull your energy and awareness into your divine line, river of light, front of spine. To use your exhale to ground and anchor into that inner river. To hold space for your body to use its inhale to pull its energy and awareness into its divine line that runs through the spine, the spinal cord. To use the exhale to ground and anchor into its divine line that runs through the spine. For you, Soul Rider, to continue using your body's breath to inhale, pulling yourself onto the front of the spine, grounding onto the front of the spine, all the way up and down the front of the spine with your inhale and your exhale. And just continue taking a few deep breaths. With every inhale, imagine pushing your divine line, river of light, onto the front of the spine. With the exhale, grounding into your divine line, front of spine. Inhale, pushing yourself onto front of spine. Exhale, grounding down that river of light. Inhale, pushing yourself on front of spine at solar plexus level. Exhale, grounding into that inner river of light. Inhale, pushing yourself onto front of spine at second chakra. Exhale, ground into that inner river of light. Inhale, pushing yourself into front of spine, onto front of spine at base chakra level. Exhale, ground into your roots, your divine line. And as you, Soul Rider, ground onto front of spine, take a moment to invite you, Soul Rider, at the level of your higher self, working with your energetic fields, to bring all of your anchors, all your reference points, all your orientation points, all of your awareness back to your divine line, divine cosmic loop. Running your energy in your own divine cosmic loop. Holding space for your body to retrieve all of its anchors, all of its awareness, all its reference points, orientation points, back to its own divine line that runs through the spine, the spinal cord, your body's divine cosmic loop. And imagine running your energy in these two loops of light, Soul Rider. Your body running its energy in its loop of light that runs through the spine, down into the heart of earth, looping back up in front of itself, up to its spark. You running your energy from your spark in the heart of source, down through the top of the head, down the front of the spine, out the base chakra, into the heart of earth, looping back behind you through your planet of origin, all the way back up to your spark. Running your energy in your loops of light, inviting your teams to encircle you and to activate and amplify connection and support and safety in their divine lines, divine cosmic loops, positively, empathically impacting you, increasing their connection with their essence, amplifying the vibration of safety and support in their divine cosmic loops. And then take a moment to feel how, as you move in the day, sleep, dream, and play, holding your attachment in your divine cosmic loop, more attached to the light that flows within you than anything. Inviting your higher self, body, Diva's higher self, and teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides to retrieve all of your attachment off of everyone and everything. Anchoring all of your nuggets of attachment in your individual divine cosmic loops for you, Soul Rider, your body, and teams. And just be in a silent mantra. Attachment in my line of light. Attachment in my line of light. All my attachments in my divine cosmic loop. Body, all your attachments in your divine cosmic loop, which anchors you in your loop of light to a greater degree. And then inviting your higher self, body, Diva's higher self, and teams to retrieve and return responsibilities appropriately. So that as you navigate in your life, you are only responsible for how you hold the light within you. No one else, nothing else. Everything else is from a place of choice, consciousness, creative expression. Number one, responsibility. Responsible for the light that flows within you, valuing that, loving that, cherishing that, embracing that, amplifying that in every breath. And then as you hold that attachment, that responsibility appropriately, invite those energetic aspects of you, your body, and your teams to retrieve your creative current off of everyone and everything, cleaning it, recalibrating it, reweaving it, spinning it around you, reweaving your grids, your shields, your protection, your force fields, retrieving your creative current, anchoring it into your fields. And every breath as you move in the day, sleep, dream, and play. Balancing and stabilizing your fields, holding your anchors in your line, loving the light that flows within you, the quality that you hold in your heart that soothes you and nurtures you in every moment. Oh, just take a moment to feel into shifts or changes inside yourself. That was 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Do you feel different than 6 minutes and 30 seconds ago?